Installing HD touchscreen head unit to Mercedes-Benz C180L. First of all, we remove the air conditioning outlet button panel in the middle. Then remove the original car CD host. Remove the panel of the top speaker. Loosen the screws inside and remove the original car screen. Then take out the power cord of the new product and connect it to the host. Reinstall the L outlet key panel to its original position. Then connect the other end of the wire to the new product screen. Then install it to the original position. The installation is complete. Let's test it. It supports a lot of functions. You can control it to navigate the map anywhere. It also supports rear view and music after reversing.